time to take it.
Okay guys, welcome back to Laura's kitchen. I've taken out the meat and I've started cutting it. I think that for me 8 to 10 minutes was a little bit too much because I had a smaller piece of meat, so I should have done it a little bit less, but I felt like I needed time to do all these things. So let's see what he gets us to do now.
I'm going to char grill some sliced ciabatta bread.
Right, I have ciabatta bread from Carrefour. I'm just going to put it into the toaster.
Crispy.
So what I've been doing,
nice and hot.
I've been cooking up the flavour.
Push it down. The smell is amazing, that sort of charcoal flavour. You've got those marks on the bread.
The time is
stops
great.
the bread from becoming soggy. And look at this here. It is stunning. On. Slice it.
The relish is ready.
One beautiful slice. Wow.
So
it's nice and pink all the way through.
I'm just going to put.
The beef is so soft. It's almost like slicing through butter.
Right,
the knife do the work.
First?
Take a little bit of mayonnaise. Spread that the back of the spoon.
Mayonnaise
on both sides.
Spoon.
Next, lettuce.
Lettuce.
Take that beautiful slice of beef.
Where did lettuce come from?
And then relish.
Hold on, Gordon. Let's just pause you. Need to get some lettuce. That was a big surprise. Out of nowhere. Okay. Have some lettuce, pre-washed, of course. There we go. Nice bit of lettuce. Right, now he's actually put everything on there. Okay, so I'm going to get my bits of meat. Put the meat on here. Oh, juicy. Juicy, juicy. Very good. Okay, then he puts the relish. Just like that. Okay. Homemade relish. So it's going to be a nice spicy steak sandwich. Okay. Now, remember, I made the mistake of putting my meat into the oven for a little bit too long. So if you get a little piece, like mine, then you need maybe only 5 minutes.
A sandwich in half.
What's he said now? Just leave it like an open sandwich.
Now that's what I call a steak sandwich.
Wow.
Trust me, serve the sublime sandwich for brunch. I think it'll put a smile on everyone's face.
Very nice, Gordon.
Next up, my guide to buying the best beef and steaks.
Oh, that's enough, Gordon, that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to go enjoy my steak sandwich. Here we go. And see if you can try this at home. Also, you can find other chefs that you like and follow their guidance and their recipe and see what you can cook up. Okay, until next time in Laura's British Kitchen.